In this video, we look at the key to understanding and using the present perfect tense, which is a name that nobody seems to understand. This tense is a mix, a combination of the present and the past, and so I will call it present plus past. There are three situations when we use this tense in English. Let's look at the first situation, starting with a question. Have you seen Bob? We can see that we are using the present form of have and a past form seen from the verb to see. So, present plus past. We must now think about what this sentence means. What is the situation? Well, when someone asks, have you seen Bob? They really mean, I am looking for Bob, which is present, number 2. They are also asking, do you know where Bob is? Which is present, number 1. So why do we need the past part? Well, maybe you saw Bob 2 minutes ago. That would be in the past. So in this way, we are connecting the past with the present. But the recent past, the situation in this case is recently. The answer to the question might be simply, no I haven't, or yes I have. You might also say, I have just seen him outside, for example. Let's look at another situation where we use the same form. Here we have the question, have you seen Terminator, the film? We can see that the structure of the question is the same as before, with the present, have, and the past, seen. But the meaning or context of the question is not the same. Now the question is asking about any time in your life, up to now. In other words, ever. In both of these examples, the present and the past are connected, and that is the key to using and understanding this tense. As you can see, we are using the third form of the verb to see, saw, seen. Now, for the next example, let's change the verb to live, lived, lived, regular. But we are still using the third form even though it is the same as the second form, because it is regular. When I say, I have lived on Mallorca for 6 years, I am still using the same structure, present plus past, with a time period of 6 years in the past, connected to now. So this means that I live on Mallorca now, and I started living here 6 years ago. Each of these three examples have one thing in common. The present and past are connected. That is the key. But there are also 3 mini keys here: recently, ever, and a time period. People normally need to practice this tense a lot in order to master it.